Hello friends, welcome to Electrical Design Engineering YouTube channel. In this channel you can learn about various electrical design softwares like Etap, Silent Power Factory, PV System, Dialux EO and Autocad. In addition to these softwares, you will learn various technical things related to electrical design engineering. In today's lecture, we will see about the difference between MCB or MCCB and overload relay. First of all, you can see that this is the MCCB, and here you can see there is some diagram shown, some circuit diagram is shown here. I can zoom it here. This is like this. There are two things. One is like this, a square hump, and another is a circular hump. You can remember this thing. I can explain what is this thing. This is the overload relay, and the circuit diagram for this is like this. This is the symbol for overload relay. Now coming to difference, what is the difference? MCCB protects electrical circuits from overcurrent and short circuit by disconnecting the power supply. That means the MCCB provides protection against two things. One is overcurrent and another is short circuit current. Short circuit current and overcurrent, the MCCB provides the protection against these two things. Whereas overload relay protects motors from overheating due to excessive current but does not provide short circuit protection. The one thing is lacking in the overload relay, that is short circuit protection is not provided by the overload relay. MCB is widely used for residential and commercial and industrial circuits to protect the wiring, equipment and entry installation. That means the MCCB is generally used for residential and commercial and industrial circuits to protect the wiring, equipment and overall installation. Whereas the overload relay commonly used in motor control circuits to safeguard motors from overheating due to prolonged overloading. Now you have found these two differences between the overload relay and MCC. Now I will go to back 1 minute. You can see there is a one hip square. This is protection against the overload. This represents the protection against the overload. Where in MCCB there are two. One is this, that is the protection against the overload, overcurrent, and this is against the short circuit. This represents the short circuit protection. That MCCB provides protection against two things. One is short circuit and another is overload or current. Thank you.